So, andito tayo ngayon sa Ridgewood Towers in Taguig. Along C5 lang siya, malapit sa BGC, to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is the unit. 13th floor po tayo, 42 square meters. 2 bedrooms, around 3.7 million or 3,780,000. So pumapatak po siya 90,000 per square meter. And this is below market and zonal value. So ito yung bathroom niya, very spacious. And then bedroom 1. Ang view niya is city view. Ayan. And may view din siya ng Marikina Valley and Laguna de Bay. And then ito naman yung kitchen niya. Kitchen area, that's the main door. And meron tayong parang storage room dito or laundry area. Kasi meron siyang abang na gripo. And then, this is the living and dining area. Yan ang view niya. Ayan. Facing McKinley Hill. Ayan. So, this is available in cash or at least 10 to 20% down payment. And then, 80 to 90% balance, in-house and bank financing plus taxes and fees. So, if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. So, this is the second bedroom. Meron tayong aircon provision and then yan ang view niya. Facing city view, C5 and McKinley Hill. So, this is as is for is. Upon turnover and first come first serve po tayo dito. Unahan na lang po tayo. So, sa mga naghahanap dyan ng condo na around 3 million na malapit lang sa BGC and McKinley Hill. Actually, pwede mo siyang lakarin. Kung mahilig kayo mag-cardio, walking distance lang naman. Tawid lang kayo ng overpass, nasa SM Aura na kayo. Okay. So, baka ito na yung hinahanap ninyo. Still sale na po ito. And negotiable pa. We can request for discount. Subject to approval, pwede natin siya makuha around 3.6 million. So again, if you are interested, please message us directly. So dito tayo sa amenity area naman. Ridgewood Towers in Taguig. Malapit lang to sa BGC and McKinley Hill. Actually, pwede din lakarin. Tawid lang kayo ng overpass, SM Aura na. So meron tayong playground. And then ito yung swimming pool nila. Pool area. Then may gazebo. Ang kagandahan pa dito sa Ridgewood, pwede mong gawing commercial yung yung unit mo. Kasi yung ibang unit dito kinonvert into commercial. Ginawang opisina yung iba. And tinanong ko rin yung guard, pwede naman daw. Pero syempre, mas maganda i-address nyo talaga sa condo admin. Pero it looks like pwede naman. Kasi nga may mga gumawa na. Ganito yung pinaka-gym niya. Maliit lang.